Importance of multiliteracies in the early years learning of education. My first perceptions of literacy was the standard concept of reading and writing, but after the last 3 months my knowledge of literacies has developed to a greater concept of knowing about everything. The Australian curriculum in English aims to ensure students learn to listen, read, use, speak, write, create, and reflect on increasingly complex and sophisticated spoken, written, and multimodal texts. According to Hills and McColl's, literacy is changing and young children are increasingly exposed to communication tools in situations that are multimodal rather than exclusively linguistic. This means that literacy is not only reading and writing. So what is multiliteracies? Multiliteracies refer to the multimodal ways of communicating through linguistic, visual, auditory, gestural, and spatial forms. There are 5 different types of multiliteracies: electroliteracy, technoliteracy, digital literacy, visual literacy, and print-based literacy. Within social practices, there are many different ways of making meaning, and one useful way of considering children's literacy is to identify these as modes of communication, such as spoken language, written language, visual images, multimodal combinations, and critical events. There are content descriptors, as shown below, of multiliteracy and multimodal text throughout the curriculum of Foundation to Year 3. This shows the importance that these types of literacy have towards children's learning. Children tend to use drawing, construction, sound, and movement as a way to present their ideas. While the Australian curriculum also ensures that students approaches, enjoys, and uses the English language in all its variations, develop a sense of its richness and power to evoke feelings and information, we as educators need to ensure we do the same. Children are becoming more exposed to multimodal forms, and there's a vast amount of culturally linguistic diverse children. It is imperative as educators to integrate multiliteracy into classrooms to enhance students' overall learning, experiences, engagement, and abilities while creating a safe and exciting environment to learning.
Created using Powtoon.